This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great day. Looking for a great night. Take a gander at the markets here in a bit. Get rid of all these alerts. Nice little pop there. So markets, we spent most of the day going up, and then we had a little flash crash late in the afternoon. Nice moves up and then back down. Let's see, copper. Been a nice move up, pulled back, and finished about mid-range. Gold, hey G-Man, how you doing? Gold still running, got as high as 2160 today. It's sitting at 2155. Ultra Bond had a great day as well. Crude oil, not so good. It was doing wonderful. It was doing great. And then whoosh, it gave it all back. I think it as high as 80.67. Natural gas don't care. Bitcoin still hanging at 66K. So let's see what we can get this evening, if anything. Let's see, what news, if any, do we have tonight? Tonight. In about half an hour, Australian trade balance. That's about it. While we're on stream, later on, Chinese trade balance, Chinese imports and exports. So watching a little pop there. Quiet. Where's Kim tonight? Kim's usually here when the stream starts. I'll have to put out an all points bulletin. Sitting there here, sitting on the dock of the day, just quietly deciding which way it wants to go. So, how's it going there, G-Man? Yes, I can see. The S chart just kept woof, 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 kept butting its head there and heading back up. Hey, Kim, good to see you. No, not really. Didn't figure it out. No idea. I guess people just got tired of holding their longs. I don't know. It was weird. Cam, you need to get rid of that job. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe, but the headlines for the beige book came out after that first crash. So I don't know. It is just, no idea. Didn't see any like wrap up headlines to say why the market fell. Let's see. Looking to see, and just going back through the headlines now, see if I missed anything. The headline on for the market wrap blames that reverse repo thing. Powell sticks to script. NYCB whipsawed after $1 billion equity injection. So, well, no, that's the equity injection into NYCB. Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. I have no idea. Still have no idea. Someone built out NYCB. So, yeah, we may never know. We may never know. Oh, wonder what just happened with gold there. That candle on gold. About 20 minutes ago. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Popping up a little bit here. So we're just kind of watching, waiting. Might not be a lot tonight. It may not be a lot at all. Sitting here waiting. Oh, there's a push down on NQ, back down on ES. As usual, people, if you feel like saying hello in the chat, feel free. Questions, comments are always welcome. I used to say insults too, but too many people took that one to heart. Where are we gonna go from here? I don't know where we're going. Hello, Alaire, Sonia. Let me know if I mispronounced that at all. Welcome to the stream and the channel. I don't remember your name, so I'm assuming you're new. You are new, or I'm developing Alzheimer's. If I'm developing Alzheimer's, don't tell me. I don't want to know. Huh? Well, welcome. Glad you're here. Watching this kind of slowly grind. So I want to get back down to that 18017 area there. You're a futures trader, Alaire? I ask new people questions. You can just tell me to shut up and mind my own business. I won't be hurt. How long have you been trading? And do you trade your own money or do you do the prop firm stuff like I do? Again, just tell me to shut up if you don't want to answer my questions. I won't be hurt. Cool. So just two more questions that I can think of is how long have you been trading? And which assets do you like to trade the most? NQ, ES, crude oil, lean hogs. One day someone's going to say lean hogs. So let's think it back down to 20. I could have did a real quick 3-point scalp there. Cool. A little over a year now, huh? Nice. Cool. I mainly trade NQ, but I'll dabble in other stuff here and there. G-Man there, he is 100% ES. So my interview is over now. Thank you for answering my questions. Yeah, eh, I prefer NQ as well, but it can definitely bite you a little bit better or worse than ES can. But yeah, I keep coming back for the punishment. So do you normally trade these times, the Asia session? Do you also trade in the morning? I know I promised the questions would end, but I'm kind of bored here, so purple candle there, but it's getting kind of extended to the downside. I should have taken that purple candle up there, and I did not. My mistake. Ooh, sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic. I know that can sound annoying. Okay. I look at London when I'm charting, and I like the way London moves, but unfortunately, I gotta sleep sometimes. I used to do one stream a month where I would trade London, I'll trade London and New York. Haven't done that in a while. Oh yeah, London moves way better than Asia. Just that at this point, I'm not willing to. London opens at 2 a.m. my time. I'm not willing to be up then. Yeah, yep, I agree. That's why I only stream 2 Asia sessions a week. I do 5 mornings a week, but just 2 Asia sessions a week. But mainly because there's some people that can't join us during the day, and this purple candle I should have taken. Ah. So I ignored two different trigger candles here that could have gave me points. So we're gonna get better at that. I get lulled to sleep. I admit that in Asia where I don't take trades I should. I might have to go back to doing one or two London streams a month. Have to be on Fridays so I can catch up on sleep during the weekend. So we're down to 18,010. ES down to 5107. It's continuing the free fall. The free fall started late afternoon, whooshing down around noon my time. Tried to come back up, and now it's continuing down. Wait, Kim, do you ever actually sleep? I didn't realize you looked at London too. You're not that much older than me, I don't think, Kim. Well, thank you for that, G-Man. That was one of the no, okay. Wow, look at this drop here. NQ looking to break 18,000. ES down to 5105. Okay, one more question for you, Alaire. Which prop firms are you trading with? And again, if I'm pronouncing that wrong, please let me know. Yeah, you definitely need to get rid of that job. Apex, cool. You have a funded account with Apex. And I have evaluation accounts with Bulenox, Blue Sky, Funded Futures Network, and Topstep. Because I'm insane. So quick crash. Did we miss something? I mean, was this just continuing down, or is there any type of news coming out? Keep looking for news of why we're dropping. Yep, nothing I've seen. I know there was a Fed speaker what over an hour ago, I guess, or around somewhere in there that was talking about maybe only one interest rate this year. Maybe that's what's got the market spooked. One interest rate drop, I should say. Crude choppy. Ultra bond dead. Let me guess, G-Man, you're hoping it gets back down to like '02 to 5100 even, and you're gonna try long, right? NQ is just hovering right above 18,000. That's a good point. We did have a volume spike there 3 minutes ago, right there. You can see that volume bar, but it went right back down. KNQ breaks 18,000. I'm an idiot for not taking any of these trades. Sitting here right below 18,000. Watching and waiting. Excuse me. Actually trading the Blue Sky competition account right now. Oh, there's a nice little bounce. And by little, I mean it's 4 points. Oh, yeah. State of the Union tonight. So, gonna go long on that blue candle, 2 contracts. Got a lot of slippage. Whatever I'm trying to say. It's immediately it was down $90. Wow. It looks like it's gonna come right back down and hit me. I was iffy on that blue candle, and I wouldn't have taken that on one of my accounts that really matter, but on the competition account, I just decided to go for it. Maybe. I don't know. Kind of like stop following that stuff. When is the State of the Union? Stopped out. Yeah, you're right. Thursday evening, not tonight. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sorry. Forgot to warn Alaire that every now and then I break into song unexpectedly. Hey, Connor. The market is looking downward right now. Yep. You can make money on futures going long or short. Uh, well, actually, I tried to just go long, and it just like kicked me in the face. And then I should have went short, but I was still recovering from being kicked in the face. But yeah, I mean, you can see here. So these purple candles are my entry. So if I had like got in when this move started here and followed it down to where it's at now, that would have been like a $700 move total. Volume spike there. Look at that volume spike. And we're doing less than 100 contracts per candle there, and all of a sudden it shot up 665. Yeah, it's a purple, but look at the big wick on it. See there? That usually means pressure's heading up. See how it's struggling to get back below the wick of that candle? That means that's the wick is where it went down and then came back up. All right, guys. Masu, or however you pronounce it there, is a friend that I actually know like face to face in real life, and he's thinking about trying to get into some futures trading. So that's why he's asking the questions he is, because he wants to stop abusing his body with his job and find another way to make some money. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely, I shouldn't have tried that reversal blue candle there. I keep doing that. I fight the trend and I get bit. Yeah, this is our daily chart, Connor. You can see the hourly chart. You can see here we kind of topped out this morning and we've been heading down since. We've been trying to figure that out too. It was weird. We don't know exactly why it happened. We've been looking for news and not seeing anything. G-Man and I were talking a voice chat on Discord as the first part of the crash happened, and we're like, "What the heck was that?" So it's 17,990. Plus the market, yeah, the market's just been overextended, or well, I shouldn't say that. Some people feel the market's overextended because we hit all-time highs back on Friday and Monday. These are, this was the all-time high for NQNES. So, I mean, this could just be a normal market pullback correction. It's trying to bounce here a little bit. I noticed that it got down to 103 there on the S. Oh, 102. Wow. Gee, man, it got down to 102 exactly. G-Man kept playing bounces off 102 during the earlier session. Thank you, Connor. Appreciate that. On what graphs? What do you mean, Connor? What would you like to get set up on it? Exactly. Coming right back down. So no sustained move upwards there. Yeah, I can't stand light mode. I have dark mode on everything. Coming back down. So our low here was 885 and then 885. So we're at 889. Kind of consolidating. Yeah, well, Asia has lower volume. Now, the Asia, I believe it's Tokyo that opens here at the top of the hour. We'll see a little bit of increased volume then. And Connor, if you're serious about wanting to pursue this, my advice would be to throw $20 at it and either and get the smallest package on TradingView and pay for futures data, and then you can sim trade with all the various indicators and stuff if you want, or any TradingView offers way more than what you're currently using. But what you're currently using will help you continue. Will continue to help you learn as well. You just won't be able to turn your candles purple and blue. It's trying to push back up again. Very stagnant here. Right now we're just sideways, 17,991. ES 5103. Crude's trying to pop a little. Gold sideways. We are definitely watching paint dry tonight. Maybe the blue sky guys will come in and lighten things up. All right. Make sure you bring back enough for everybody, Connor. We're kind of dead right now. Dead in the water. Oh, big drop, actually, all of a sudden. Okay, can it get below that 85 area that's been, what did I say, 85 or 95? 85, yeah. That's kind of been a wall. The answer so far is nope. All right. So if anyone's interested, when G-Man says bot 02, it means he's going long at that level in ES. If he types out SS with a number, it means he's going short. Right. Yeah. Long is bot is long and SS is short. It's trying. It's just kind of spitting and starting here. And of course, TP is take profit, not toilet paper. Ooh, quick whip down. So the 983. Yes, that's a purple candle. We're like, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's a competition account, so I guess. Wow, just falling. Wow, I didn't even have a chance. I did. It's maybe good because it's whipping back up. Yep, whipping right back down. Just continuing to fall. ES trying to break 5100. Might see this fall all Asia and then reverse and Europe. Asia often reverses Europe. I mean, I'm sorry, Sam said that backwards. Europe often reverses Asia. See that volume increase coming in those last two candles. It's flirting with trying to give me a blue candle, blue reversal candle here. We're long. Stop going at the low of that move. And I have a profit at 5 points and 10 points. I'm just going to move them both to 5 points. We're moving that slow right now that 5 points is plenty. Five points may be too much. It's just back down to my entry. Got up to 82. Sorry, 85. I mean 82 half. No, 82 quarters. Oh, 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 that was nice. We got our 5 points. $200 trade. Two contracts, 5 points each, $100 each. Two, so we got ourselves a win. So blue candle bounce. We were down in the bands. Came up out of the bands. Took I took the trade there. Just went for the 5. I mean, obviously it's gone. It has gone 10, so I could have got 10, but I'm happy there at the 5 with the way we're moving. Now, theoretically, this is the 5-minute chart. You see a big blue candle there. This same strategy can work on the 5-minute if I wanted to follow the 5-minute. Blue candle on the 5 is about 10.5 points. I'm just going to keep playing the 1. I'm not going to play the 5. Hey, Tio. How's your day been? I'm doing good. Ended up about $913 on the new Topstep X account. Yeah, I'm still in. I'm down on the competition account. Let's see, down 1,500. It's got 200 of it back though. Looks like we're trying to bump back up. Depending where it's at by Friday and where the leader's at, I may just got YOLO non-farm payrolls with the competition account. It's honestly, I have 5 different companies now to trade. So trying to trade the competition account's kind of, ugh. Blue candle. Okay, so I just accidentally pressed the button early. Oops. Oh, we're long off that blue candle. Tight stop, 4 points. We're shooting for 5. Whoa, that was a nice burst. We topped that at 996 earlier. We're sitting at 995 now. I have my target set at 997 half. Seems to be struggling at 995. There we go. Oh, it slips right back down. I'm going to take it off there. See if it would have got to my original target, but it got like got within 2 ticks of my target and then pulled back. So it was still a winning trade. It was only $60, but hey, won't complain. Yeah, it's coming back up. I probably could have stayed in. We'll see. Either way, I'm happy with it. 2 wins now in a row. Ooh, what's taking off? Crude's taking off. Saw that corner of my eye. Get crude going, guys. That's 7 straight green candles in a row on the 5-minute chart. G-Man, you still with this? Did you get anything out of that quick move up? Oh, look, it was good I got out of that trade when I did. And there's the top of the hour. Said a lot real quick. Cool. Four. Crude really running there. Look at that. Nice move. Did a quick whip down on NQ. It's coming right back up. Gold falling. If anyone's interested, at Bulenox, 90% on option 1 is still going. I thought it was only going to be 1 day, but now I have no idea when it's going to end. Hey, Burl, how you doing? Did very well today, Burl. Up 913 bucks on my Topstep X account. Oh, look at this drop. So stop at the top of that purple candle. Looks like it's gonna come. It's trying to come back up for me though. The target would have been at that low of previous, but it's gonna stop me out here. Just quickly reclimbed up that candle. Hey, John. Topstep X is their. They have their own platform now. Uh, instead of Rhythmic or Tradovate, they have their own platform, and they have a direct data feed with the CME. Wow, I thought that was going to stop me out. It got one tick from my stop, and now it's coming down into profit. Trading gods are actually liking me tonight. I hit my target on the 5. I forgot I had one set at 5 and one set at 10. Should have both been at 5, but then we're actually going to get a little extra out of it here, I think. I'm going to. Oh, wow. Look at that whip down. We're up 269.56 on this Blue Sky account now tonight. And look at this drop. We're just continuing to sell off now. We're coming up all day, had that weird reversal, and now continuing to sell off. We were down, really? We opened at 18,041, and now we're down to 52. So we've dropped 90 points so far here in Asia, which is huge. Is that math right? 041? Yeah, that math is right. These are huge moves for Asia. Looks like I might be getting a little bounce here. So we got down to 52, popped back up now to 64. How'd you end up today, John? Wait, you just turned off the bot, right? So you were done this morning. You didn't do any other trading? Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Hey, no Sid Chase tonight so far. There's a nice bounce. Could have grabbed that bounce for 5 points. Yes, Burrow Investments and John DeFore both run trading bots. Burl wrote his own in Excel, which still blows my mind. And John pays a fee for his, but he's not sure it's worth it. He's been testing it out. Oh, well, that sucks, Crypt. I forget your Apex. Is that a funded account now, or is that Eval? Not the one the bot's trading, but the one you're manually trading. No, he meant his Burrow. He meant he was up 630 with the bot. His bot is 199 a month. That doesn't sound like fun, Crypt. Bundle up and read some bedtime stories. Yeah, he is. He's still trying to figure that out, Connor. So far, his manual trading is better than the bots trading. All right. You'll get a comeback there, I'm sure. I wish I could automate my current strategy. Not to let it run by itself, but just because I hesitate on entries in the bot when my use for it would be to just let it do its thing, and with me watching it. Okay, so just so you guys know, Masu is I call him Connor because that's how I know him because that's his real name. I know him personally, face to face type thing. I helped raise him. Um, he's pretty new to this, so he doesn't know what an Apex account is. He wants to potentially get into futures trading, but so a lot of this is new to him, so that's why he's asking questions. Didn't raise him, I helped raise him. I'm good friends with both of his parents, and helped out. I was living with them for a while and helped with a lot of stuff around the house while they were busy with jobs and things like that. And they were both on a fire company. And when they went running out of the house when the pager went off, I was the one there and things like that. But yeah, I've known him since he was 6 years old. Yeah, don't make me feel old, Connor. Yeah, and he does HVAC work, but he wants to get out of that because it's killing his body already. His father's also an HVAC, and he's seen what it's done to his body over the years. So he's looking at seeing if this trading thing might be for him. Uh, yeah, John, can you really can't make any adjustments with that bot, right? Connor, he was writing his own bot, but it kept turning against him. And okay, Connor, so what he means by copy trade is some of these prop firms allow you to have multiple accounts, so you can spread the risk out and have like 10 accounts, and instead of taking like 10 contracts in one account, you can take one contract in 10 accounts. So if the trade goes against you, you don't blow that account. It's just a small loss in each account. And there's copy trade software to do that. Big move back up, so we did rebound. Remember, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you gore that like button for me. Let's YouTube know that you like me. Like me. Yeah, this is a huge move for Asia, G man. See, I hate the name of it because anything that sounds like the Holy Grail is just sounds too good to be true. Nice rebound. The algorithm that runs the trends we trade in. What do you mean by? I'm not sure, Connor. The market's not moving by. Well, I shouldn't say that. I, the market's moving because people are buying and selling. Now, big banks and stuff do have algorithmic trading that run based on can be based on things that are in news reports and stuff like that. Is that what you mean? All right, G-Man. Hey, CBR. That's just based on who's buying and selling. Uh, everything is every time you buy a contract, it means somebody sold one, and vice versa. So here you can see this is on a different platform. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it up. This is Topstep X, by the way, John Burrow. But over here, down here in time and sales, move this up. You can see this is all the different sales that are happening and how many contracts are selling it. All the red is people selling contracts, and all the green is people buying contracts. So when you have more buying than selling, the price is going up, and when you have more selling than buying, the price is going down. It's just where, because like like if I place an order up here at say 18,000, then say I place 20 contracts there. When it hits there, you know, if I price it short, that's going to cause the market to go down a little bit. Maybe not 20 contracts would, it's not going to really move the market, but that's what this is. The buying and selling is what moves the market. So you can see on the time and sales right now, you can see we're heading up the green candles, and you can see right now on the time and sales, there's more green than red. Ooh, wow! Someone bought 23 contracts there. I don't ever watch time and sales because it's usually too fast to watch, but here in the Asia, you can actually kind of watch it. Yeah, bro, this is Topstep X, their new platform. Um, I mean, there are corporations, like Goldman Sachs and all that trade massive volume. I think the CME, which is the exchange this is traded on, has some contract limits in place that they can't control too many, but don't quote me on that. From it, I mean, it doesn't do them any good to really manipulate or like, if you're saying like buying 10,000 or 1 million contracts or whatever, because it would move the price so much that they would take a loss on some of it because of the way it would move. At least in theory, I think that's true. I might just be talking out of my behind. It's that it you don't need to worry about that, Connor. Really. Eh, I mean, yeah, but even GameStop, you could ride. Wow, is everybody having issues tonight? Brawl has no hot water. Crypticon has no heat or internet. Anyway, even GameStop was tradable, Connor. You just had to, know how to do it. Everything has patterns and such. There is manipulation, but it's not gonna, set a stop loss to make sure that you don't take a big loss. Welcome back, G-Man. Uh, Connor, I mean, I can't guarantee you be successful at it, but you don't not really wasting that much money by doing the with the prop firms. Like right now, you could pick up an account for $20. Bulenox has a 90% off sale, so it's like $17.50. And if you blow that, $17.50. And there's always sales like that. I mean, anywhere between 70. Yeah, I'm actually up $259 CBR. If you look here, I took a loss there. I got a win there, took a loss there, and then grabbed this short here for a nice win. You can get fund. I mean, if you hit the, if you if you pass the parameters, you can get funded in as little as 5 days, 8 days. Each prop firm has a different amount of days. So it's just how quickly you hit the profit target and follow the rules. With Bulenox, it's minimum 5 days. So if you can hit the profit target in those 5 days, then you get funded. Uh, Blue Sky, which has beautiful static drawdown accounts, they're a little bit more expensive, but static drawdown is awesome, and there's no funded setup fees. And they're with the static accounts. There's no minimum days. I mean, you have to trade one day. But right now, like Blue Sky, if you do it where a little slow and steady, where you only hit 25% of your profit goal per day, so you show that you can just do it slow and steady, they'll refund your evaluation fee. So basically, it's like getting a free evaluation. Blue candle pop up here. We're long. Stops right about where it should be. Not sure we're going to get 5 here, but we'll try. We're going to move our secondary target back down to 5 as well. You have the same amount of drawdown that you have in the evaluation. Basically, so let's say it's a 50K account. You have, say, $2,500 in drawdown. Here, you can't lose that amount of money, or else that you blow the account and have to start over with an evaluation. And then you're allowed to trade up to so many contracts, but you should just stick to one contract at the most at first. Trade it slow and steady. And then it depends on which company you were with. How the payouts work. Ah, so we're in at 989, no, 988.75. We got up to 992. Pull back. Now let's see if it comes back up. We are kind of extended on the RSI. Part of me is just telling me to grab this 40 or $50 here. Yep, back down to my entry. Crude's still moving up. Yep, I should have took that $50. Now it's back. Big short order at 93. Sid, you're late. Welcome, Sid. I'm jumping out there. It's not going. I did get 20 bucks there. 1 point. No, half a point because those two contracts. I will say, Connor, that you're worried about if you putting the time into it and then you find out you suck at it and all that. And I should have stayed in that trade, by the way. That can be true with anything. Starting any type of a business or whatever. You don't know if you're going to be good at it until you're good at it, even if it's something that you already know a lot about. So I'm in a competition account right now, and so there's no reason for me to jump out of that trade. He doesn't really have the money to open a brokerage account right now. He has like $100 in discretionary income. And if he's just learning to trade, I think he would be, there's a better chance of him blowing that versus doing the prop firm. And then, if he blows it, it's, 20 bucks or 40 bucks, whatever, whichever eval. You set a date on that yet, Connor? Oh, yeah, I should have stayed in that trade. Look at that. A Friday, Connor? Oh, I got you. It's still a year and a half away. Nice job. Wait, did you take that trade, G-Man? And CBR, where were you in it? I struggle taking these blue candles when we're over, up so high, usually thinking there's a pullback coming. Nice job, G-Man. See, you're even Killing it in Asia. Well, Connor, if you're gonna elope, you don't really need to wait till next year. I could say G-Man funds his entire life off of this. There's more people in the morning that trade full time. Oh, awesome, CBR. In the morning, there's a bunch more. And Connor, if you see the name Chase there, that's Sid Chase. That's the guy I was telling you about that's started like 23 different businesses in his life. He's also an excellent trader. Trading's not his main income, but it probably could be if he wanted it to be. What, start your own business? You wouldn't want to do HVAC because that just continue to kill your body. Looks like it's trying to shoot back down here. Wow, quick reversal back down. Yeah. Uh-huh. Think he was talking about you, Sid. His burrow is just a typo. MightyOxTrading Meetup 2025. MightyOxTrading should have taken this short. Not if you're eloping, Connor. Nope, Connor's from Central Illinois. He's a Bears fan and a Cubs fan. Oh wow, bought 3 cows? Well, there you go. Trading is perfect for you, Connor. Is turkeys, pigs, cows, and chickens. Old McChase had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I'm a Phillies and Eagles fan. I was rooting for the 49ers. I'm a big Taylor Swift fan. Oh yeah, I forgot about the goats, and I didn't know about the quail. Never mentioned the quail. He's a Cubs fan, John. I would never want to swim in a pool of liver. Of course, I can't swim. I don't know how to swim, so no matter what kind of pool I'll be in, I'll drown. So we're popping back up here. Got down quick to 968. Pop back up to 979, so 10-point pop. Can't forget about the red wigglers. Just kind of hanging here at 974. ES at 50.99 half. Crude 79.24. Are those worms? Red wigglers? I did a quick Google. Composting with worms. Red wiggler composting worm. Nice, Sid. Sid's long on worm futures. Yep. What do you need to raise worms exactly? Do you need to buy like worm feed? Popped up a little bit there. Yeah, he meant composting. I think he's trying to type on his phone. I was kidding about the worm feed. Now, our friend Connor here does have a little bit of intuition with this stuff. Back when Bitcoin was at $2,000 or so, Connor tried to convince me to build a miner. And I said something to the effect of, nah, I think this is just some weird fad, not going to go anywhere. I wish I listened to Connor. Although I will say, I think that the house I was living in then, if we had built a miner, it probably would have burnt down the house. And Bitcoin's now sitting at 66,000. Oh wow! Do you sell at CBR? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I was gonna say there's actually a shortage on worms. There you go, Connor. Get into the worm business. Hope it was a good pizza. So we've had a good night. We have about 10 minutes to go on the stream. Up 278.20. Yeah, Sid, he can do plumbing and HVAC. Connor, Sid's a home builder. He built his own home, but he builds other homes too. Sid, what HVAC brand do you prefer? I think the answer to this will decide whether Connor likes you or not. Oh. He might have missed the question. Oh. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Smaller, you don't have to crawl in small spaces and stuff like that, I assume. You don't install HVAC in the new homes. You just like, oh, okay. I don't know how any of that works. Oh, okay. I gotcha. Oh, big move back down. Do you do sheet metal ducts? I like to see someone make a duck out of a sheet metal. Wait, no. And now they're speaking language. Now they're speaking languages that I don't understand. No idea what flex is. So kind of ending in a whimper here. Got some good trades early on. Move, but a quick drop here. ES back below 5100. All right, John. Then I guess we'll see you on Friday. Enjoy yourself at the trade show. And good luck. Tell your son good luck on the game. So it's going to be interesting to see where we end up tomorrow morning. Are we going to rebound in London, or is this going to bleed all night? no, no, he's kidding. We'll have to have you on again, Sid. Sid was on with us one night, a couple months back. We'll have to do that again. Uh, yes, it was. We still need to get help you get yeah, easy for me to say, Sid. We still need to get you started on Apex whenever you want to do that. Yep. Whenever yeah, whenever you want, I can hop on messenger call whatever, and we can try and get that figured out for you. But for now, we have reached our end of our time tonight. All right. Well, we'll do that too. If you decide you want to get it going, I'll help. If not, I'm always here either way. I hope everyone has a great rest of your night. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time for lots more news tomorrow. Got unemployment rate and a couple other things. So have yourselves a great rest of your night. Connor, join us again on Monday. It's our next evening stream. Have a great night, everyone. Bye. If I can find my software. There it is. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.